So this video is sponsored by Unique. More about them later in the video. So when Apple launched the new Airpods 3, it was met with mixed feelings. I think some people liked them very much, but some people didn't like them, which is totally understandable knowing that not everyone has to like every single product that a company launched. The new Airpods 3 retails for a very premium $179 US or about 829 Malaysia ringgit, so it definitely doesn't fit into the budget of most people, considering that they are just a pair of half-in-ear earbuds. But today I'm here to tell you what I really think about these earbuds after owning them for about 3 months now. And just a disclaimer, I bought the Airpods 3 with my own hard-earned money, so all opinions here are solely my experience with these earbuds. So starting with what I like most about these earbuds is the design of it. And I think Apple does it best when it comes to making simple, clean design, and because they invest so much in R&D, they really know what they are doing. I like how the case looks like the AirPods Pro case, smooth on the hand, and that gloss white finish is just really amazing to own. Plus, fingerprints and scratches don't show up that easily when you use this as your daily driver. I like how the case feels really dense, and although it's small, very small, but it doesn't feel light and has a nice weight to it, making it feel really premium. And I like how the lid works. Opening and closing it feels really satisfying, and it holds itself in place, again with the perfectly weighted Apple hinge and that satisfying iconic snap when you close the lid. So Apple also throws in MagSafe wireless charging now for the new Airpods 3 as standard, and you definitely get to enjoy the convenience if you already have wireless charging or MagSafes lying around at home. One thing that doesn't hurt me but is something that may be a con for some people using these earbuds is that it still runs Lightning cable. I'm not too sure when iPhones will follow the path of iPad Pros converting into running Type-C ports, and if they eventually go that route, means you have to carry 2 types of cable everywhere you go. Overall, I think the design of the Airpods 3 is really a piece of art, and since you're spending so much money on these earbuds, it's really important to protect them. And that brings me to my sponsor of today's video. So Unique has been a long-time sponsor of the channel, and I'm really grateful that a great brand like them believes in my channel. If you don't already know, Unique makes amazing cases for all your Apple devices, whether it's for your latest iPhones, the AirPods, iPads, and even MacBooks. So if you want to trust a brand to give you universal protection for all your Apple devices, then Unique is the brand for you. So the Unique glaze is your go-to if you want a stealthy minimalist case, and has been my choice since I've started using the case for my AirPods Pro. It comes with an inner anti-watermarking technology that ensures that it stays clear and bubble-free, as well as maintains the beauty of your AirPods. Not to mention that it also comes with a reinforced carabiner, so you can hook your AirPods on you everywhere that you go. So the Terra is Unique's range of genuine full-grain leather case, and they just smell fantastic, like how a premium leather wallet would smell like. The Terra comes with a nice range of color options, and it also comes with a smooth microfiber lining to ensure that it goes in and out smoothly without scratching your case. And that's a very important point for most cases because some of them are really hard to remove. And finally, the Nexo is Unique's answer to sports lovers who like running with their earbuds. The Nexo is built to be tough with an inner polycarbonate shell and a soft silicone skin that gives you the ultimate protection for your precious earbuds. And it also comes with this nice ear hook so that your earbud stays in your ears whenever you're working out. So for more information about Unique's cases, definitely check out the link in the description below, and thank you Unique for sponsoring this video. So battery life here is decently strong at 6 hours and 24 additional hours with the case, so pretty normal these days, but Apple does give you quick charging, so if you're in a rush, 5 minutes of quick charging will give you 1 hour of juice. So although these were launched back in 2021, there are many things to love about the Airpods 3. And although the Airpods 3 only comes with the H1 chipset with Bluetooth 5.0 AAC and SBC support, and some of these earbuds I consider them as like the 2020 spec, but these Apple H1 is kinda different in its own way, and it's surprisingly fast and high quality, and we'll talk about it a little bit more later. So the Airpods 3 comes with IPX4 water resistant rating, pretty decent for your sweat and splash resistant, but nothing too crazy like getting it soaking wet under the rain for prolonged periods of time. And I really like that the earbuds come with skin detect sensor, so it will detect if it's in your ears and start playing, and will not randomly play when you put them down on the desk. And I also absolutely love the spatial audio feature of Apple, and tracks your head movements and gives you that superb 3-dimensional sound that never fails to amaze me. And if you haven't really tried spatial audio before, you definitely need to try them out. And I also love that the new AirPods 3 now comes with Force Touch control, so you get the awesome squeeze control of the AirPods Pro, and you won't accidentally tap the earbuds for no reason. And I also love that you can use either the left and right earbuds independently at any time, depending on how you want to use your earbuds. And if you have the whole Apple ecosystem, multi-point works fantastic between all your devices in a super seamless manner. So that's where one of the cons is for the features, and if you use these AirPods 3 on your Android devices, the AirPods 3 becomes a pretty basic single point earbuds. So in terms of sound quality, I think Apple has done it again with these earbuds, because as much as third-party earbuds try to perfect the half-in-ear earbud sound quality, I'm here to say no one does it better than Apple. Of course, with all half-in-ear earbuds, you're not going to expect this to give you the best crazy sound signature ever, and you're not going to get the most bass-thumping sound signature as well. So if that's what you're looking for, then this earbuds is not for you. But if you look at these earbuds as a pair of casual, good-sounding daily drivers, then they definitely don't disappoint. The beauty about the sound signature of the AirPods 3 is that they don't overdo anything. They don't overcompensate with heavy bass, but somehow that adaptive EQ just makes your music sound super balanced and natural. Similar effects to what you get with IEMs. The clarity on these earbuds, the separation are all absolutely on point, adding on that spatial audio to give you that ultra wide, ultra three-dimensional sensation. And if you have yet to try spatial audio using Apple Music, I think you're missing out. Finally, vocals are crisp and clear with very good reproduction of both the male and female vocals, so I'm really impressed with these earbuds. And I foresee that in 2022, there will be the year of the AirPods alternatives mimicking the new AirPods 3. Whether or not they will make it as good as this one, I'm not too sure, but if you have the budget for the AirPods 3, definitely go for it. So this is a test to see if the new AirPods 3 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So I honestly don't know what wizardry Apple is doing with their H1 Bluetooth 5.0 chipset, but the latency on these earbuds playing PUBG really is almost lag-free. And I'm serious, in real time it almost feels like wired earbuds, so I'm not sure what crazy development team that they have in Apple, but very good job. Anyways, here's the latency test of the AirPods 3. So to control the AirPods 3 is really simple, and you get to play or pause your music with a single squeeze. And because you need to have your skin sensor onto it, so I'm going to wear it and control them. So single squeeze, and it's going to play or pause your media. And to skip tracks forwards, double squeeze it, 1, 2. And to skip backwards, triple squeeze, and it will go backwards. And finally, squeeze and hold to call your assistant, and that's where Apple really wants you to control your media. So if you squeeze and hold, and you can call Siri, and that's where you can control your volume, ask Siri to do a whole bunch of stuff, and that's where the real control really comes in. So that's why Apple is sticking to these control schemes, and that's how you control the AirPods 3. So again, I know that the AirPods 3 or any Apple products is a controversial product, and I'm honestly not a fanboy, and I'm open to loving any earbuds that comes my way, but I honestly think that Apple made a pretty compelling product here. In these 3 months owning it, I've been rocking them daily. I've never had ear fatigue. It still sounds really good to me after 3 months. So I'm gonna say I really like these earbuds, and if you really have the budget for it, go for it and get them. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.